Who would like to make $85,000 by 10:40 in the morning? Anybody?
Me,
Me,
I
please.
would.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Anna, go ahead.
I have one last issue that I just can't seem to overcome that's really standing in my way of like being really successful,
Okay,
right?
tell me.
And over here at Google at about 10 o'clock, I'm looking at that here at 10,
Okay.
and I did not get into that. My brain's like, this looks like it'll probably pull a little further. This might be a good spot to get in. But instead, I got in at like 10:09, somewhere in there,
Mhm.
right? And even though I lost on that trade, that's my only trade for the day. And
Uh-huh.
quite frankly, I'm just going to be done. I see this stuff all the time. I do this all the time, every day. And I'm not talking about that looking back, oh, I should have got in there. I'm talking about the stuff I'm looking at. I'm looking at a trade. I'm thinking this is a great place to get in.
Uh-huh.
It's low risk. And I just don't do it. I don't commit. And
I got you.
I do this almost every day.
Sure. So
Not
you're
every
just
day, but
hesitating. You're just hesitating on the entry. Is that what you're telling me?
yeah,
I
yeah.
got you.
And then when it goes, I'm like, oh, I shouldn't chase, which I
Yep.
don't, right? And
Yeah,
then,
yeah.
it's like just a four candle trade there.
Yeah, yeah. So let's
Um,
discuss. Ready?
yeah,
All right. So you're trading Google, right? It's a high-end stock. First of all, are you a scalper or a 2-minute EWO? I'm assuming you're scalping.
scalper, yeah,
Okay. Options shares.
options.
Okay. How long have you been here today with us?
Here at 5.
Okay. So you've been listening to me all morning?
Yeah,
Why are you trading Google?
it's one of my stocks.
Does everybody understand what I'm saying right now? Everybody in the
Yes,
room?
I do. Yes, I do.
You
Listen to the
not
sound of your
listen
Yeah.
voice.
to the
100%
sound
coach.
of his voice.
Listen to the sound of my voice.
Hey, coach.
Everybody
Yeah,
in
I
the
just
room,
heard it. I
right?
didn't hear it last week. I just heard it.
Yeah, so listen, and the only reason I'm saying this is because you're already trading a higher end stock, which is almost $200, right? I've given you,
100 bucks.
yep. So I've given you SPY though all day, every exact, accurate to the penny move, location, master scalp all day. And you're looking at Google and wondering why you're not getting in. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah, I do have SPY up. When it doesn't breed confidence, I don't trade it. I just put it that way.
Right. But when you're a coach, when the head coach is in the room trading it, number one, right alongside. Number two, giving you the exact play by play, like the entire day. Like every second it has moved, you have known about it. Everybody in the room, even if you're not trading, there's nothing on planet Earth I would be looking at.
Gotcha.
If your head coach is literally got the whiteboard out and all you're doing is doing advanced master scalp training the entire day, unless you are literally making millions of dollars on Google because you're that good, it should have been training day only, even if you didn't want to trade it. Does that make sense to everybody in the room?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Absolutely.
Perfect sense, coach. Perfect.
And it's been the same message for 3 years.
Yeah, and I'm listening. I'm not picking on you, but what I'm trying to say is, all right, let's look at it this way. How much do you on average make per day or in that trade, if you want to say it?
10 bucks.
Right. So instead of you trying to make literally $10 today, you would have learned every in and out and why I do what I do. Do you all understand? You don't have to trade what I'm telling you, but you have to train what I'm telling you, right? Because
Right.
tomorrow, if I'm not talking about SPY all day and I'm not trading it alongside of you and we're not discussing it, tomorrow would be the perfect day for you to be in Google. If you hear me calling out, hey, look at Apple, look at SPY, look at Qs, hey, check it out. Hey, let's talk. Hey, guess what? You wouldn't believe what I bought and did in my Tesla and the things. Those are a great day for Google. Right?
Right.
But you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So for you, your $10 loss, you missed all the training today. So you want to know why you're not getting into trades when I would have shown you exactly when, how, why, with the confidence so that tomorrow, if you traded Google, you would be confident. See what I'm saying?
Oh, I see what you're saying now. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yep, yep.
Apply it to what you are going to do. I'm not telling you to
Right.
trade SPY every day, but
Oh, I get you.
yeah. But I've showed you guys today. I showed you why in the pre-market. I showed you why I was hitting those upper band levels. I showed you where it was going to go on the bottom and why I was going to do it. I showed you exactly when to get in, when to get out, why to do, what it's doing. And you guys are staring at, Illy or whatever today.